So in this question, number 1, it says which graph shows a non-proportional linear relationship between x and y? And when we think about non-proportional, I want you to think about the equation y equals mx plus b. Non-proportional just means that we have a y-intercept that is other than 0. And so b is going to represent some value. Now, we have been practicing using the spreadsheet function and typing in equations, and you would look at the very end of the equation after the plus sign, and it would have either a positive or negative value, which we said was the y-intercept, where the graph crosses the y-axis on the whenever it's graphed. So keep that in mind. We're looking for one that doesn't go through 0. In other words, it does not go through origin, and we had plenty of practice figuring out where origin was on the graph. So what we need to do is check all these graphs and see which one does not go through origin. If you look at A, and I'll put a dot on origin, and that's always the best way to check it, you notice it goes through it, so it can't be A. If we look at B, notice that it crosses outside of origin. It actually has a y-intercept right here of -2. So B is the correct answer. If you were to check the other two, and you might have noticed already, that both of those go through origin. So we can look at this and say, well, we got 3 that goes through origin and 1 that doesn't. And we're looking for the one that shows a non-proportional linear relationship. The only one that's different is B. And it does match our equation for non-proportional relationships of y equals mx plus b.